we'll be replacing the exhaust. You gotta get those bolts down, and then the bolts from the heads, 2 on each side. All right, we're gonna get that. Replace this cat. Replace the whole freaking system. It's got an exhaust leak for days. All right, we're gonna put a new muffler. Yeah, that's not good. I think the tailpipe is fucking separated. The exhaust pipe is separated from the muffler inlet. No wonder, huh? CO2 is in that tab right there. CO2 sensor. So you need to press the pins to release that plastic detaining clip retainer, so that then the cable can be free. It connects there. So when you drop down the converter, the cat, it doesn't hang and maybe possibly rip your CO2 cable. And then that way you can reuse it. Blasted these bolts with the PB blaster. I was able to get one out, but I wanted to risk on these. They were just too stubborn. So I gave them a big shot of a blaster. PB penetrating catalyst. All right, highly suggest you get one of these. Don't break the bolts off the heads there. That'll really be bad news. Exhaust leaks everywhere. The last time these pipes and muffler will look in this condition. Bruno! time to wrap these headers. I got the 1x50. It says 4-cylinder engine, 2x50. Well, we'll see about that. I'm gonna get started and see how far I get down the headers on one row. That's what I put on the headers. I got more of this wrap to go around there, but I just decided to stop right there. I mean, it looks good to me. We're gonna mount this up and see how it goes. So I'm looking at about 1, 2, 3. I got about 3 to 4 yards or meters left of that wrap, and a bunch of those ties. I only used like 4 small ones and 2 big ones, and there's 8 of 8. There's 8 and 8 of each. The shit you gotta do to make the replica Borla headers fit on a Subaru. Tsudo full exhaust system. Tsudo headers with the flex pipe. Tsudo track pipe. The catback exhaust. And one. These are the gaskets that came with the Tsudo flex pipe header. It looks like an upgrade from the replica Borlas that I got and I had to return. Yep, these are going. Much better fit than the replica Borlas. Very, very, very little force required to make these fit, thanks to the flex pipe.